Hello Namaskar, let us get into the topic of how Chromebook OS is. Is it good or so-so? Let's now find it.
ChromeOS, sometimes styled as ChromeOS and formerly styled as ChromeOS, is a Linux-based operating system developed and designed by Google. It is derived from the open-source Chromium OS and uses the Google Chrome web browser as its principal user interface. Google announced the project in July 2009, initially describing it as an operating system where applications and user data would reside in the cloud. ChromeOS was used primarily to run web applications. 9. All Chromium OS and ChromeOS versions support progressive web applications, such as Google Docs or Microsoft Office 365, as well as web browser extensions, which can resemble native applications. ChromeOS, but not Chromium OS, from 2016 onwards can also run Android applications from Google Play. 10. Since 2018, Chromium OS, ChromeOS version 69 onwards also support Linux applications, which are executed in a lightweight virtual machine. 11. With a Debian environment. Pros. Works on low-cost computers. Good security with automatic updates. Runs Android apps. Fast boot up. Tight integration with Google services. Android phone integration. Cons. Not all Android apps work well with it. Weak printer management. Having two separate app stores can be confusing. Requires Google account sign-in.